You are the workforce of the future because of the technology now is with you.
At the young talent, between proud and believing your vision and passion, I make sure you have a place on the future for each family.
Keep up a good work and country depend on you guys to be successful.
The reason why Rev21, Converge, and PCCI are in partnership together is because we want to ensure that the Philippines does not get left behind. So from a Philippine and from a national perspective, it's really important for us to develop our own sovereign AI structure now. So that's why it's really good that Converge is with us, because Converge is coming up with the initial steps. So what Converge is doing is they're setting up the correct cloud infrastructure here in the Philippines so that we can create and install our own AI.
Special po kasi first time ma-expose sa ganito and super enjoyable po na siya.
This isn't just a technical challenge actually. This is something where you combine your technical skills to solve real-world problems.
All in kayo, all out, enjoy kayo, go beyond.
And it's really fun, so it's worth it.
I really like the mentors. Mababait silang lahat.
I really enjoyed it. It was really fun to work with. Especially seeing the different tools at our disposal. I might have abused it quite a bit.
Going digital makes the data future-proof, allowing healthcare staff to efficiently find and update patient information.
Here, our main focus is solving problem is e-health trackers.
Our contracts allow trackers to secure predictable, long-term routes, which means fewer empty weather trips.
Sobrang nakaka-proud po na yung system na gawa namin magagamit na ibang tao.
So what does a future-ready Philippines look like? It's a nation where young entrepreneurs launch startups that compete globally. It's a country where technology bridges gaps in education, trade, healthcare, and provides many, many opportunities. It's a Philippines where every young person feels empowered to dream big and act boldly. The PVCE, through its hackathons and youth-focused initiatives, is laying the foundation for this vision.